In this lecture, we are going to learn how merge process work in the MDM hub. We have configured match and merge rule under the base object. In this case, it's a BO party. We have configured the match columns and we also configured the match rules. Set. This match rule set contains three match rules. Very first match rule is based on the organization name fuzzy and SSN. The second rule contains the address as well as the full name. And the last match rule contains address part 1, which is fuzzy, and the organization name as a fuzzy. All these rules are configured as a auto merge rule. We can configure combination of auto merge rule and manual merge rule as well. Once we are done with all this configuration, next thing we will see what are the tables associated with the merge process. The important table is CB party. This table contains a data, and using this data the match and merge process will be executed and the golden copy of the record will be created. So far we can see there are 15 records are present in this CB party table. The consolidation indicator column for all these records has value with a 2. That means all these record has gone through the match process. As this record has gone through the match process, that means whatever the matches are found during the match process, those must be maintained in the match table. Hence the next table is match table. In this match table we will see the pairs of the record which are matched with each other. This table contains the information about the match record as well as the information about the by which rule these records are matched. The auto merge indicator 1 means all these records with auto merge indicator 1 are queued for the auto merge. So these records are matched by the auto merge rule, hence they are queued for the auto merge. If the value of the auto merge indicator is 0, in that case those records are matched with the manual merge rule. So those are the information you can get from the match table. Important thing about the match table is this table is output of the match process and it will be used as an input for the merge process. In some cases, merge process is also called as a consolidation process. The output for the process is nothing but the HMRG, that is a history merge. Right now this table is empty. The reason is we have not run the merge job yet. Let's have the look on the columns which are present in the HMRG table. HMRG table contains the history of create date, source row ID, target row ID, auto merge indicator, row ID match rule, creator, last update date, updated by, merge date, unmerged date, merge operation ID, unmerged operation ID, tree unmerged indicator, merge via unmerged indicator, original target row ID object. This table maintains data for merge and unmerge process not only through the MDM hub batch processing but also from the IDD application. There are specific some indicators in this table which will tell us whether this record is updated or merged from the batch processing or it is merged from the IDD processing. In this lecture we are mostly going to focus on how these indicators or the other relevant data get populated when we perform the merge operation using the MDM hub. So let's go ahead and execute the merge job in the MDM hub. In order to execute the merge job in the MDM hub, we have to go to the batch viewer. In the batch viewer, you have to select a base object for which you need to execute the merge job. There are two jobs associated with the merge process. One is called as auto match and merge. If you execute this job, then match job will be executed first, followed by the merge job. However, if you run the match job separately. In that case, you can run the auto merge job individually as well. In our case, we have run the match job separately, hence we will go to this auto merge job, select the job and click the execute batch button. Now merge job is successful. At the end of this job, we can see there are 7 records are auto merged and the 8 records are accepted as a unique record. What are the changes happen in the database side? Let's have a look on those details. First, we will verify the CB party table. In the CB party table, the record will be reduced from 15 to 8 because few of these records got merged with each other. The another thing we can notice here is the consolidation indicator is turned from 2 to 1. These are the things will happen in the base object table. What will be the case in the match table? Let's have a look in the match record. We can see the match table is empty. At the end of the merge process, the record which are queued for the auto merge, that means with the auto merge indicator 1, all such record will be deleted from the match table. In case you need this data, the match information, then you need to take a backup of this table before running the merge job. Otherwise, there is no option to recover this table. The next table is history merge. The history merge is an output table for the merge process. So if you need any history of the merge, then you can refer this table. This table is currently populated with a history create date, source row ID, the target row ID, auto merge indicator, row ID match, and other information. Out of this, all this information, the column called as updated by will be updated if you merge or unmerge the record through the IDD. Right now, this record creator is populated as admin and updated is populated with a null. If you merge the record, the creator will have the IDD ID. So this way we can see the records are successfully merged and they created the golden copy of the record in the base object table, that is CB party. In the MDM hub, of course, we can see the history of execution of all the jobs as you proceed or as you keep executing these jobs as per your business schedule or the business requirement.